Road signs hold the secret to driving test success. And if you master these 40 must-know U.S. road signs, passing becomes way much easier. Let's dive in. Guess this road sign. Nicely recognized. This is the school zone sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming stop sign. This road sign is good observation. This is the traffic light ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the divided highway begins sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely done. This is the railroad crossing ahead sign. What is this road sign? Exactly. This is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the bicycle slippery when wet ahead sign. This traffic sign is excellent. This is the steep grade hill percentage sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the no straight through sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely recognized. This is the left turn only sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the train station sign. This traffic sign is good observation. This is the tow-away zone sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the weight limit sign. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This is the no right turn for trucks sign. Name this traffic sign. Great! This is the parking fee station sign. This road sign is perfect. This is the curve right sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely done. This is the straight through only sign. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the wild horse sign. What is this road sign? Good observation. This is the golf cart sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the added right lane sign. Guess this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the low ground clearance crossing sign. This traffic sign is exactly. This is the county route marker sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely done. This is the no trucks sign. This road sign is perfect. This is the one-way, right sign. Identify this road sign. Great! This is the equestrian sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the U.S. bicycle route sign. This traffic sign is nicely recognized. This is the bicycle parking area directional sign. What is this road sign? Exactly. This is the gasoline sign. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This is the no skaters sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely done. This is the reverse turn right sign. Name this road sign. Exactly. This is the motorcycle plaque sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the right turn only sign. Guess this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the ramp speed advisory sign. This road sign is perfect. This is the no U-turn or left turn sign. What is this traffic sign? Good observation. This is the added left lane sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely done. This is the lane ends merge left sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly. This is the single lane transition sign. This traffic sign is Well spotted! This is the chevron left sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely recognized. This is the Do Not Drive on Tracks sign. Identify this road sign. Perfect. This is the pull-through sign. Well done reaching the end. For more DMV test prep, road rules, and driving tutorials, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications. Continue your learning journey with the videos on your screen. See you in the next lesson.